This is a list of 15 legendary locations for gin lovers in the UK, including tours, tastings, and learning about the history of gin making. 1. The Bombay Sapphire Distillery, Hampshire. Explore the glasshouses and historic distillery, learn about botanicals, and create your own gin recipe. 2. Hendrick's Gin Distillery, Ayrshire. Discover the peculiar world of Hendrick's Gin, tour the distillery, and savor their unique and distinctive spirits. 3. Edinburgh Gin Distillery, Edinburgh. Join interactive gin experiences, learn about the history of gin, and even design your own personalized bottle. 4. Beefeater London Distillery, London. Explore the Beefeater Distillery, located in the heart of London, and learn about the craftsmanship behind their iconic gin. 5. Salcombe Distilling Co, Devon. Explore the coastal charm of Salcombe while learning about the craftsmanship behind their handcrafted gins. Enjoy guided tours, tastings, and take in the picturesque surroundings. 6. Chase Distillery, Herefordshire. Visit the Chase Distillery for a tour of their farm-based operation, including their own potato vodka and their award-winning gins. 7. Portobello Road Gin Distillery, London. Discover the secrets of gin making, explore the distillery's unique gin museum, and even create your own gin recipe. 8. City of London Distillery, London. Take a journey through the distillation process, sample their distinctive gins, and learn about their distinctive botanical inspirations. 9. Daffy's Gin Distillery, Edinburgh. Experience the craftsmanship of Daffy's gin, from the copper pot stills to the unique botanical blend, at this unique location. 10. G&J Distillery, Cheshire. Enjoy gin experiences at the G&J Distillery, home to Bloom Gin, where you can immerse yourself in the art of gin making. 11. Cotswolds Distillery, Gloucestershire. Discover the Cotswolds Distillery's natural distillation methods, taste their artisanal gins, and admire the stunning surroundings. 12. Silent Pool Distillers, Surrey. Take a tour of Silent Pool Distillery, located in the picturesque Surrey Hills, and explore their range of handcrafted gins. 13. Shetland Real Distillery, Shetland Islands. Explore the unique gin-making process on Unst, part of the Shetland Islands, where Shetland Real Distillery crafts remarkable premium gins. 14. York Gin Distillery, York. Join guided tours of York Gin Distillery, learn about the city's gin history, and sample their locally inspired gins. 15. Strathearn Distillery, Perthshire. Experience gin making in a small-scale distillery setting, where attention to detail creates distinctive and flavorful spirits. What's your favorite gin-based drink? Tell us in the comments below.